Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to reset your Shopify store or the theme for your store that you have set up with a code using a third-party app called Rewind Backups. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify store as an administrator. So as you can see, I have the dashboard set up right here, and for the purpose of this video, I'm using a dummy store, and the idea here is we want to get access to the Shopify App Store. So there are a couple ways to get there. You can either click on the apps drop down right here and type down the app that we want to look for, or you can click on app and sales channel settings. And it'll redirect you to this page right here where you want to click on Shopify App Store. So it's going to open a new tab that'll show you all of the compatible plugins and tools that you can integrate with your Shopify App Store. So the one that we want to opt for here is Rewind Backups. And if you guys don't see it right away, what you can do is simply click on the search bar like so and type down backups or just backup. And it'll pull up all of the applications that you can integrate with your store. So what this will do is each app that has to do with backups will do a full scan of your Shopify store, including older versions and the changes that you've made prior to putting your store up. So we're going to opt for this one, Rewind Backups. We're going to install it, and you can see that it says as far as the features go, there's automatic real-time, daily, and on-demand backups, restore multiple items at once, like an entire collection or brand, so on and so forth, undo individual items, bulk restore, recover your entire store. So it's pretty much a versatile tool that allows you to have an archive for your online store. So we're going to opt for the free trial here. We're going to click on install. As you can see, this is not a free application. However, it does what you need it to do, and it restores backups for your store. So we're going to click on install, and basically have it work as let's Shopify and Rewind Backups work their magic and integrate with one another. So you can see that here's what the dashboard looks like after the billing. So hopefully it doesn't ask me for. Okay, so here we are. So once you guys are through this, simply click on view previous versions of Shopify and select the one that you want to go back to. So it's basically like a restore point that you want to select and apply. And it'll refresh your page, and you'll be using a previous version or a prior version of your store for Shopify. And yeah, that's the video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.